Someday I can buy live chair so that you can go to around, not pain on my back when I go live. Shout out. Hi everyone, to Pokan, to Rara Patel, Muhammad Taufik, and all of you guys. Hindi kita ma-add friend. Bakit? Ma-add friend mo ako doon. Hindi naman ako sa Facebook ko. Homo sapiens. Hello my darling wife. Oh, how are you Homo sapiens? Ma-add mo ako. Hello Gautam Self. Hi Gautam Self. What my eyes? I'm so sleepy. But I'm still, because this is my job. Because I do have work. I only work in this YouTube for live streaming guys every night. So hello Andre Johnson, GM. I just enjoy you look good early in the morning. Thank you. What you mean by GM? Message. Good morning. I just enjoy. Good morning. Is that GM good morning or just like DM, PM? Very, very nice. Oh, really? You like a chubby woman? Most of my viewers like chubby woman. I mean, what was it? Maka, ano ba yan? Uy, wag ganyan. Hindi ko, wag mo na lang i-comment pag mga ganyan. This is, my love, shout out to Reta Ogi. Hi, Reta. Sexy looking. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. No internet, my other phone. I don't know what happened to this phone. Oh, here. Here, I hope you guys join my membership. Send me his. Okay, no problem. Yeah, YouTube contact. YouTube contact. I have there my wait guys. Online. This is an online. My YouTube. My Naomi. Wait. Naomi's wait, Philippines. Hello to my 183 viewers. No, Philippines. I am from Philippines and I'm so sleepy. I don't know why every time I go live I feel sleepy. Maybe because of the rim light. It's facing at my eyes. I can't open YouTube. Yeah, I have my Instagram. Naomi Hamarolin. I put there my profile in YouTube. I hear that tap before you subscribe. Well, Belly Montes Chen, good evening po. Good evening, same. Same to you. Hello, Andrew Johnson.